The city of Pietermaritzburg has few business or enterprises or income generation methods, and electricity and water supply are some of them. Obviously, it's not their original product. They are in the middlemen, and they are selling it on behalf of national government. They experience technical challenges, maintenance challenges. They experience theft, illegal connections, bypassing of meters. Effectively, the business of government is not happening in a way that is profitable, and it begs many questions as to why that is the case. As residents, we have been aware of the national minister's strides to rectify the electricity situation in the country, including sorting out ESCOM's ability to supply electricity without disruptions, as has been seen by load shedding. We have seen some successes that have been announced by the minister, saying that ESCOM now will no longer need national government to bail ESCOM out in order to be able to sustain its business. And that he wanted to appeal on behalf of the residents of the country, on behalf of the voter, on behalf of South Africans, that they cannot be paying too much for the electricity consumption. We do not know if we can entrust the minister as a political authority with the responsibility to shoulder our wishes alone without some kind of feedback from civil society, which could take the form of protest action, taking to the street, or appealing to the oversight body responsible for energy or electricity to intervene, because it would seem that the cost of consuming electricity for the ordinary person is becoming a challenge. And you have situations where people, landowners, property owners, homeowners, actually stop supplying electricity to tenants because they would like to make money from rent, and they are not working for the state effectively. So the more the state increases the price for electricity consumption, the lesser they are making if they don't have metered electricity methods. It is a crisis, one that needs a strong civil society that would be able to talk to the state in the only way that it would understand, which would constitute protest action, and in some instances legal action, and also most fundamentally making written representation to the oversight body that is responsible to support the national minister to speed up the dialogue and the attempts to reduce the price of electricity in the country. Civil society in South Africa needs to act, to stand up, and respect itself, know that it's right to enjoy energy, to enjoy light, to enjoy warmth, to be able to charge gadgets, and children need to be writing exams, and all that needs to happen without much stress from breadwinners who are their providers.